Hello friends, welcome to WordPress Bangladesh. Today I will show how to block IP address from Cpanel. So as usual I am logged in my Cpanel. Here is different sections, files, database. So I will scroll down and go to security section. This is security section. Then click IP blocker. Okay, you can block any IP from here. Suppose 103.203 or .203.55.152. Add user from the IP address will not be able to access your site. That's mean from this IP, who are using this IP, he cannot access your website. Okay, you can also block a range of IP. Suppose this IP suppose 152 to 182, this range. Okay, this range blocked. So you can please check 152 by 29. This means this block, full block is blocked. So now you can also unblock from here. Delete, remove from block. Okay, so I think you can understand this video. From this way you can block and unblock IP address from your website Cpanel. Thanks all for watch this video. Bye.